Sir, we are willing to take admission for SYJC 25-26 at Shesh Educare, but we may not be opting for all the subjects because one particular subject we know that at this particular place the professor is too good, and this particular subject the professor is bad over there. Blah blah blah. एक minute. First of all, you're a student. Don't consider a teacher as bad and good. I don't like that. At Shesh Educare, we have a fantastic experienced teachers who will continue to be your teachers at foundation, inter and final also when the subject remains the same. So that is the biggest advantage. We don't change the faculties. The faculty for that particular subject, of course the subject has to continue. Then the faculty will also remain the same. You will learn accounts under me and you will be continuing learning under me only for your entire CA journey, right? For maths, where are the faculties? Same faculties will continue in foundation. Acha. Sir, is this the only reason? Because I'm not looking for CA foundation. You know, I don't want to get into CA and all. I don't like to get into so much of studies. Wait, we are not talking about CA foundation. If you don't want to get into chartered accountancy, once you are with me, by the end of the year, you will be the first person who will be enrolling for CA foundation. That also I will tell you now. But keep that aside. I propose that you should take up all your subjects under one head so that you don't have to shift, run from one place to another. Our weekly timetable will be uploaded on the website. That will be as per our lecture timings. So MWF, you are attending particular subject somewhere else and MWF accounts lecture is there. What are you going to do? So either you have to bunk this lecture or bunk that lecture. Such a काम करो. Sub subjects under one roof you attend so that there is no question of clashing of lectures at all. Well, we give subject wise admission also. You can practically join one subject also. You can join two subjects also. You can join all subjects also. Of course, if you join all subjects, then you get a lot of discount. That's another factor again, but I have to discuss that also. Yeah. To know more in detail, same thing, meet our counselors. If you still have any doubt, you can fix up the appointment and talk to me also in person. Guys, take SYJC Maharashtra board exam quite seriously because this will be the first mark sheet, you know, that everybody will ask for any damn professional qualification that you will have to undertake in future while taking admission for that, as well as for any interviews that you will be appearing in future. So this mark sheet, SYJC Maharashtra board mark sheet onwards must be decorated. Your 10th standard mark sheet was important only for one purpose, that is to get admission in college, which you already got, and that's anyways past. You can't change it. But let's come together. Let's have a rocking performance in your SYJC Maharashtra board exam 25-26. Bye.